Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on ACER Predator 17. You can copy or paste different forms of media. You can copy text, files, or images. And I not only mean image files, but also if you're in a image editor, then you can copy the image and paste it into another editor or another tab in that editor. It's quite great. The text can be formatted or unformatted. It's all up to you, depending on what text editors you're using. So I'm gonna show you that on an example of text because I think it's the most commonly used. And if I type anything in, then I can select that and either right click on it and click on copy. Got unselected actually. Let's try again. Okay, for some reason it unselects itself, but it should be working honestly, yeah. So when you click on copy, it's now copied and you can right click and click on paste, or use CTRL+C to copy and CTRL+V on your keyboard, of course, to paste. And now I'm using Ctrl and V letter to paste. And as a bonus, I'm gonna show you Windows and V. So click on the Windows key and the V letter, and that opens the clipboard. But first you need to turn it on, and that saves the history of recently copied things. So if I type something else right now, and I can select it, maybe not the full thing, but if I just select a few words, click on CTRL+C, then I can click on Windows+V, and I have two options to copy. To paste, and now it's pasted. And now if I select to paste that thing, it's also pasted. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.